Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to blur on CapCut PC. I will show you both the variants of how can we do this. For example, we can blur this video or this background. Basically, it doesn't matter. So let's get started. I created this brand new project to show you step by step. So if we resize our frame, our video, we can see these black lines here. What if we need to blur the background? Basically, it's pretty easy. Choose the video on timeline, go to video, basic and canvas, choose blur and choose it like this. There are 4 blur modes. So it looks now much better. But what if we need to blur, for example, this video here? To do this, we need to go to effects in the left top window here and then just try to find the suitable blur effect, like video effects here. We have like halo blur, for example. So now it looks like this. So if we move it here, we can see the blur effect. So we can change the strength, we can change the speed, but basically this is how can we add blur on main video. There are also some other blur effects. We can try to find them here in video effects, I guess, but this is a way of how can we add blur basically on the main video. On any video you can add the blur. So this is a way of how can we blur on CapCut PC. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.